My name is Abdullah. I'm studying the Bachelor of Business, and this semester I had the pleasure of studying the Creative and Innovative Thinkers course. My favourite thing about Creative and Innovative Thinkers would be the guest speakers, connecting with industry partners, and just an overall modern and fresh course content.
I enrolled into Creative and Innovative Thinkers because I was really interested in sort of the industry partner aspect of it. As a student, you don't really get many opportunities to work with a real organization and to solve a real world, like a real problem for them. So I thought that was a very interesting part of the subject.
Certain skills that I learned in this unit was definitely critical thinking and innovative thinking, as well as communication and teamwork.
Working as a team, collaborating online and in class, presentation skills, meeting with the industry partners, networking, and those are just a few off the top of my head.
We did a lot of research in the subject, and it really helped me prepare for my career because it sort of taught me of what research in the real world would look like when you're solving a real issue.
It was really insightful working with the industry partners, so I got that one-on-one time, and just on how a startup business is working, that we get that insight which is not readily available in textbooks or just on any website. It was a new experience that I just couldn't receive anywhere.
I encourage all Western students to enroll in this subject.
I encourage all Western students to enroll in this unit.
If you're watching this video, I think you should enroll now.